The Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria, MAGBAN, don't come out now, come talk, say, look them, they raise hand up like this. They say, look our armpit, bear not the inside. We are innocent. Anything bandit, anything terrorist, anything kidnapping, anything thief cow, our hand, they inside. As the young when they gather to the people, now so Baba Ingelsarma, where be the MAGBAN national president, say, truly, MAGBAN agree. They no doubt and they agree. Say United States of America, they have the sovereign right. They get the power to sit down and begin to argue, and begin to torchlight religious freedom and human rights. But the one where we say they pain them, now say they don't go link MAGBAN now for terrorist things them. He said, look, this MAGBAN, it have been in existence since 1986. And now corporate jump body where they legit register under Nigerian law. He said calculate it more than 40 years now. The Jambody have operates in open danger. They see their workings with both national, state, and local structures. And they even get executive where then democratically elect every 4 years.